Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a GUI tool inside Python which is made by Twikinter library. This will be a simple image converter kind of a application. So let me just open my uh, application by executing the command which is python main.py. So if I execute this command, you will see this is a window here, image converter. Either you can convert from JPG format to PNG format, or you can convert from PNG to JPG. So if I select this option, so we need to import a JPG file from my local system. So if I go to the downloads folder, you can see this is, let me choose a JPG file. This is the JPG file, output file. You can see that after selecting it, you can click this button, convert JPG to PNG. Now you need to select any sort of output directory where you need to save this image. So now let me just save this image inside this document folder, and here I will name my file as output. That's it, output, and the image is selected, that is .png. If I save this, the images will be converted, and if I check my documents folder, you will see inside my documents, you will see this is output file is created. If I open this file, you will see this is the output.png file which is converted, and same goes with the other option as well. If I again run the script, you will see if I select the second option, PNG to JPG, now I need to import the PNG file from my local system. So it is present inside, I think, inside documents, light shots. So all these are PNG images. So if I select this image, convert PNG to JPG, now again we need to select a output directory. So inside my documents, I will say here output JPG. If I save this, you will see if I once again open documents, this file will be created, output JPG, and it is a extension which is JPG. You can see that it has successfully saved it. So this is a simple GUI kind of a application which is a simple image converter. So let me just show you the code. All the source code of this tutorial is given in the video description. I have given the link in the description. You can download this Python script that I have written. Go to the video description, and one file is there which is main.py, and also this is my source code, GitHub repository. You can simply go to this which is there inside the blog, go to the video description, and then click the download zip button and to download the whole project. So it will contain these background images as well inside the images folder. Simply you need to open this, and let me just guide through the code here. This is the simple main.py file. We are using a library which is called as PIL, which is an open source Python imaging library. So if I type here PIL Python on Google, you will see it is called as Pillow. Pillow is a Python imaging library. It is an open source library. We are using this library for the image conversion process. So we are also using Twikinter. Twikinter is just a GUI framework for creating graphical user interfaces in Python. If you type here Twikinter, you will see on Google this is a library of Python which makes GUI interfaces. So we are using these two libraries. So in your command line, if you don't install these libraries, if you're new to Python, what you can do is that, let me just close this application. There is a pip command that you can use. Pip is a dependency manager. If you have successfully installed Python, this comes with it. Pip, it is a dependency manager which you will know. NPM is a node packager, dependency manager for Node. Similarly, pip is a dependency manager for Python. With the help of this, you can download any sort of dependency. The command is very simple. Pip install. First is a Twikinter, so you will write Twikinter space, and then you will write PILLOW. So these are the two dependencies that you will need in order to develop this application. So when you download the zip file, make sure that you install these two dependencies and then run this command which is python main.py, so which will run your application inside this graphical user interface. And inside this file, we are using a module inside the Twikinter which is called as file dialog. With the help of this module, we are generating this dialog box where you can see these two buttons, JPG to PNG and PNG to JPG. And then we rest of the things are very pretty simple. If you go through the code, you will see how this I have written this code. So please like the video, guys. Please show the support to me. Please hit the like button. I am targeting for this video at least 50 likes, so please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and please comment on this video as well, and I will be seeing you next tutorial.